FigPrompt is a website that allows you to create Figma plugins from a simple prompt. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to paste this plugin idea I've got. I essentially want to design a Figma plugin that turns any selected frame into a complete production-ready landing page. So essentially, users select a frame, and it essentially or drops in a frame, and essentially just creates the following things you can see on screen automatically. So a clean component system, asset completion, also including replacing of the placeholder images with relevant high quality visuals based on the context, and all these things you can see here in the prompt box. So I don't want any random styles, and I kind of want it to stay consistent with the original design direction. So I'm going to paste that in here and see exactly what this is going to do. It's saying generation could take up to 5 minutes. So I'll come back once this is done. Okay, cool, and just like that, our plugin is ready. It gives us the instructions to export it. I'm just going to click got it, thanks, and we can see here that we can just copy the, we can just basically run this if we click analyze frame and generate system.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So of course you can have your Gemini API key here. You've got the code.js, the UI, and the manifest.json. So if anyone's working quite frequently with Figma and you've thought, this is a plugin they should create, definitely check this out, as I think this could probably be quite useful for you. Of course, it does require Gemini API, which you can get from Google AI Studio. They are quite generous with their free plan as well. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.